Hi, and this is Trixie, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails. This is very quick, easy to do, and very affordable. That's what I like about this kind of things. I just found this out sa SHOPEE, and napakadali lang gawin niya. Kailangan nyo lang idikit sa inyong mga daliri. And sana mag-enjoy kayo. And good quality naman siya. I love it. Maraming colors, maraming styles. Baka magustuhan nyo din. Kaya ayan, i-share ko lang din sa inyo. So, etong nail sticker cost 100 pesos. Maybe, I think. 78 pesos lang actually. So, madami akong nabili. And yun lang, super napakadali, nakakatuwa. Kasi, nahihirapan din ako pag ako yung nag-paint ng nails ko. This one is very easy. It will take you like 5-10 minutes and you don't need to dry it up. So, yan ang gusto ko sa kanya. Ayun lang. So, sana magustuhan nyo and keep on watching on the video till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want more tips and tricks of mine. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Take care and God bless. See ya on the next video. Thank you for watching. Gusto ko na sabihin sa inyo na you guys need to also put a clear, transparent nail polish just to protect it, and that's it. Actually, you don't need to do the dryer because I'm gonna do a dryer here. I think it's better when you don't put the dryer. Parang mas matagal siyang, parang nag-melt siya sa akin. Pero before, I have used this before, okay naman siya. Hindi ko na siya dinryer. Nagtagal naman siya sa akin around 2 weeks. Kayang-kaya. Kaya, I recommend this. Link ko na lang sa comment down below. I mean sa description kung saan ko siya nabili. Basta nail art stickers. Just search it on SHOPEE. And I bet you find a lot of good, cute designs. Thank you again for watching. Boy, boy. Bye-bye.